This might be Spain's most essential ingredient, right after olive oil. On this channel, you'll see it in so many dishes because most traditional Spanish recipes start with this sauce, tomate frito. So let's make this the right way, from scratch. What type of tomatoes should you use? Plum tomatoes. They are meaty, low in water, and full of flavor. You'll also need an onion, a carrot, flour, garlic, salt, sugar, and water. And now we need to chop everything. As you chop those juicy tomatoes, here's something cool. The word tomato actually comes from the Aztec word tomatl, meaning swollen fruit. And in the US, tomatoes didn't become popular until the 1830s. And now here we are, turning them into something delicious. Sauté the onion until translucent. Add the carrot for a touch of sweetness, and after 2 minutes, dust in the flour and stir so it cooks without browning. Add the chopped tomatoes, salt, sugar, and pour in the water. Drop in the unpeeled garlic to release its aroma. We'll let it simmer for an hour. Remove the garlic and peel it. Return it to the pot, then blend with an immersion blender until the sauce is silky smooth. Delicious. Subscribe for more.